Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wrong head.
No, Hiccup!
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Back! Now, don't you make me tell you again. Yes, that's right. Back into your cage. Look at us! We're on a trip! Fish legs, break it down.
Okay, heavily armored skull and tail made for passion
Used. Rough, tough, find out if it has a shot limit.
That's my specialty.
It's wet. Everyone knows I'm more irritating. See? Oh, we got it covered.
Yeah, woo!
Roll.
Bud elf.
Bride of Grendel.
Get that mom out of there!
I'm on it first. I'm ahead of you. No, this way. No, can't believe that worked.
We have Dragon Racing.
Stop out, that was mine!
Here you go, babe. Did I tell you that you look amazing today? Because you do.
Ugh. Come on, Barf. It's starting to stink around here.
Nope, still hates you. Let's blow this place, belch! Ah! All right!
Oh, yeah! Now, dragons used to be a bit of a problem. It was 5 years ago. Now they've all moved.
Let's go!
Darling, mine's worth 10.
Yeah, the black sheep! I'm totally winning!
We're winning together.
Woo! No one can stop me now!
Except for me. We're attached, genius. Quit trying to steal. It's my glory.
Oh, it's ruining everything!
No sheep, no glory.
Gotcha! Ha-ha! Whoa! Astrid!
My hard work has paid off.
Pull me down.
See how well I protect and provide?
What is with all the nets?
Watch it! That was cool. Take me.
I don't like it. They should have been back with Hiccup by
I
now.
don't like it either. Arid son of...
I'll go shut them down. What if they need our help?
Hey, can he ride with me, Kenny? Kenny?
Works every time.
Dragon Riders coming through.
Bad people do bad things.
Mister! Oh, Barf! Not you.